Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be doing MGW short throw shifter, it's the X-Spec. Got it right here. And then we're also going to be doing the Steeda clutch spring. And this is how you get rid of any high RPM lockout. I don't care what anyone else says, it's not the clutch. It's the shifter and that clutch spring. So, I haven't started taking anything apart yet, but we're going to get the shift knob off and the center console out, and then we'll do the clutch spring probably first because it's pretty simple. And then start working on the shifter. Alright guys, so I got my spring out that was in there, and it's an aftermarket one already, but it's garbage. So to get this out, a lot of people say you gotta disconnect the clutch and everything like that, and you don't have to. All you're gonna do is you're gonna push the clutch pedal to the floor, and then you're gonna put some vice grips in here like this, and then you're gonna pry down and back on this, and it's gonna release. It's much simpler than all the other videos out there, and here's the new one, Steeda. Alright guys, so the new clutch spring is in. Much better. More linear throw now. Don't have to worry about the clutch pedal sticking to the floor anymore. Here is the one that came out of my car. You notice, pretty firm. And here's the stock one that came out of my brother's car. It's easier than the one that was in my car. I don't know who had this before me, but I don't know why they put that in there. Next is the shifter.
Alright, so we had to do some camber bolts because, as you can see here, we had some negative camber going on. Alright, here's the installed camber bolts. And you see this little tab? We have it towards the outside, so it gives us positive, and if you want it negative, then you just put it towards the engine.